Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you about how to get RDP for free. Now let us go to the Play Store and download the app named IRCTC iMudra. Guys, we have to download this app in order to complete the account setup in Amazon Web Services. In AWS, it will ask for credit or debit card so that we are using this app. In this app, we can get digital debit card without bank account and wallet also. Guys, please fill your original details because there is no problem in it. And it asks for an valid ID proof as you can submit it also. Let us know what is iMudra app. iMudra app is an finance app of Indian Railway Services which provides us free wallet and digital or virtual debit card so that we can use it in Amazon Web Services in which our account will be registered. Now enter the OTP that you have received to your registered mobile number. Now the app will ask you to set up an MPIN. As you can set up it or you can skip it. There is no problem in it. Guys, now go to the card section and click get digital debit card. And enable the online transactions. Guys, we have to add the money of rupees 10 in our wallet in order to continue to the AWS services. So please add rupees 10 in your wallet by using your UPI ID, debit card or credit card. Why we want to add the money in our wallet? Because while sign upping in the AWS, it will take charge of 2 rupees, but it will be refunded in one day, but it will take the charge of 2 rupees. In order to continue, we should have balance in our wallet. So please add the money in the wallet and now copy the details of the card and let us go to the Amazon Web Services and let's get started. Guys, after redirecting to the AWS, now click on create an AWS account. Now you have to enter your email address, password and AWS account name. Please enter your details. Now click the account type as personal. Guys, please enter your original phone number because there is no issues in it. Guys, please enter only India numbers and select your country as India. And please fill the address details whatever you want. You can use any address and any postal code and zip code. There is no issues in it. Now you have to enter the credit or debit card number. As we have the IRCTC card, so please go and copy the details of that card. And enter all the details of that card in AWS. Now you will receive an OTP to your registered mobile number on IRCTC iMudra. So please enter the OTP and click on the submit. After that, again it will ask for the mobile number. So enter the mobile number that you was entered the last. And please fill the captcha code below. After that, you will receive an code to your mobile numbers. Please enter it and select your plan as basic plan. Guys, after completing the sign up, AWS will send you an email that your account has been successfully created. After 1 or 2 hours, you will receive that your account is ready. So please wait for that mail, and after receiving that mail, we can continue further. Guys, after a while, you will receive an confirmation mail from the AWS, that is Amazon Web Services. So please check your Gmail after 1 or 2 hours. Now go to the mail and check that your account is ready or not. You will receive that your account is ready. So then you can proceed to the AWS. Now let us go to the AWS and sign into the console. Launch a virtual machine with EC2. Guys, please select the Windows Server 2019 base because we want Windows operating system. Now select it. It will show the configuration of the RDPs. Then please select T2 Micro, which is free tier eligible, so that you will not be charged. Guys, please create a new key pair on your name and click on download key pair. Now click on the launch instances. After that, view instances. Guys, it takes some time, that is 5 minutes. So please wait, and after 5 minutes, check the RDP. Now click on actions, get Windows password. Now upload the key file that you have downloaded. Now click on decrypt password. Guys, please copy the password and save wherever you want. Please don't last password. Go and copy it in the notepad so that it will be remain safe. Now click on connect. Download the remote desktop file. After downloading it, please open it. Now please copy the password and paste it below and click on OK. It will connect to the RDP and click on the S. Now you will be redirected to the AWS RDP. Guys, it takes up to 5 minutes, so please be patient and wait for it, because it depends on the network speed. So please be patient and wait for it to get connected. Guys, as you can see, our RDP is connected and it is very slow due to our network issues, and we have selected very low configuration, that is only 1 GB RAM. So it is very slow. As you can select more configuration, but Amazon will send you some billing, means it is like 5,000 or 10,000 per month. So if you selected free tier, as we selected in our video, they will not send any billing for 1 year. If you select more configuration, that is like 32 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM, then they will send some billing amount. So please use only free tier. Guys, I will tell you a trick how to get unlimited RTPs. So please carefully listen. As you know that we can create unlimited Gmail accounts in our mobile. On one IRCTC card, we can create up to 4 AWS accounts and there is no problem. And the accounts will be activated, as I already tried the trick and it is working fine. So if you have as many as mobile numbers, then you can get many IRCTC accounts and you can create many AWS accounts so that we can get unlimited RDPs.